Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a 2-bedroom, 2-bath manufactured home at lot A-14 in Edison Mobile Estates. Edison Mobile Estates is a land lease community based in Edison, New Jersey. So we'll take a quick look on the outside of this house. You can see right here that it is equipped with outside water and electric. This house does come with a shed. Not all of our new houses have that, but this one does have it. Here you can see the street right here. This is the central air conditioning unit. Here's that rest of the neighborhood. And now we'll make our way inside. You can see the front area here is just some stones. So the maintenance that you have, there's no grass to be cut. You just have to weed that little stoned area. So it's pretty low maintenance. This is the other side of the house. And now we'll take a look inside. So this is a used home. So there's a few things that are still in here. Everything that will be coming with the house is listed in the description. So if you want to go take a look down there to see every bit that comes with it. And then I'll add in this video what comes. Here you can see the flooring. It's really nice vinyl flooring. Got a chandelier here, fan. Whirlpool appliances. I really like this kitchen because it's got these cabinets right on the side. So you can see there they have some bread in here, but you can put pretty much anything you want in there. Got this really nice blue backsplash. It matches very nice with the kitchen. Here's this coat closet that's at the moment empty, but you could very easily put your coats in right as you come in. It's the perfect place to grab it as you're leaving. They've got a little table here. Here is the electrical panel, and this is just like any other house. It's 100 amps. Got everything labeled there for you. Here is the thermostat. Just like I said before, there's central air conditioning in this house. Right across the bathroom, which we'll take a look in a moment, you have the washer and dryers. This is the bathroom here. Here is the shower. It's got 2 seats in there. Double bypass doors. This is the bedroom here. Now, as you can see, throughout this house, we actually have the blinds closed, but this house has a ton of light even coming in with the blinds being closed. So it's a very, sunny house. Here is the water heater. And now we'll go take a look at the other part of the house. Right here we have the furnace. This is responsible for the forced hot air and the central air conditioning. And here we have the other bathroom. You'll notice this one comes with a bathtub. And you've got a little window above as well to bring some more light in here. And lastly, this is the second bedroom. And here's the closet. So if you're interested in finding out more about one of these homes or buying one of these homes, please go to www.myhomeinedison.com. There you can fill out the pre-qualifying questions, which will get you started on the path to receiving updates about all of our homes and potentially owning one yourself. Thank you. Have a good day.
Edison Mobile Estates is a manufactured home community. We are located in a fabulous location right on Highway 1, just a mile away from Metuchen, New Jersey, close to the train stations, great school systems, close to the Parkway, close to Route 9, very close to 287. It's a really convenient location. It's one way in and one way out, so it's pretty secluded. It's private property, so we don't have any soliciting, and people really enjoy the privacy, even though we're in a great hub close to the airport, the Newark airport. Our office is in the front of the community as you drive in. We meet everybody by appointment only. So if you want to meet us, fill out the 15 questions or email us if you're interested. This is US Highway 1 or Route 1 in Edison. Our family is the Dolan family. We are Dolan Homes. We've been building manufactured homes in our 3 communities for over 40 years. On our website, dolanhomes.com, you'll see Edison, Harbor Crossings, and Carteret Mobile Park. Those are the 3 parks that we manage. Robert Dolan is the managing member. This community has been in the Dolan family since 1974. Here's Robert Dolan. He holds all the licenses to build and manufacture and install the manufactured homes. As our nephew and our son, we are a small family business. Husband, wife, nephew, son, and their little kids. We really pride ourselves on being 4 generations. And it's a joy when the little ones join us in the summertime. We have a fabulous crew with lots of experience, and it's all hands on deck when we're building one home at a time from our family to yours. We do all the utility connections, water, sewer, and electric, and the concrete foundation of all the houses. We have a lot of advantages to joining us. We are a land lease community, so the cost is very little because the actual homeowners do not pay the real estate. Edison Mobile Estates pays the taxes and thereby makes it much easier for homeowners to purchase homes. The median income price of a home in Edison is over $400,000, and our homes are from $148,000 and a little bit lower and a little bit higher. We're just so pleased to be part of the American dream of home ownership. Come join us, check out our website, and email us or fill out the 15 questions, and we'll get right back to you.